Let's see, which one do I want? Oh, that one looks kind of cute. Not cute, but it looks yummy because it's Rice Krispie treats. Yes.
Well, this one you actually get to decorate it.
That's what I want, yeah.
Well, that one. It's not like you're gonna eat it.
I know. All this stuff grosses me out.
Yeah. I don't think I could eat this.
Who's what you would eat it? You eat everything.
No.
I don't know which one to buy. Really?
Yes.
There's these down here too. They're like actual houses.
It's just like...
Mucho dulce, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry? Yeah, I like the colorful candy to it, so I think it's this one. Here, let's go. So we are now on day 3 of Vlogmas. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas Q&A and making a gingerbread house, which I have never ever done. I think I had some ears too. Hold on. I'm like, should I put them on? Should I keep them on or not? You know what? We'll just keep them on. We're being festive today, so why not? Okay, so basically, I'm going to be doing a gingerbread house. Like I told you guys, I had my friends and family ask me questions on Instagram. I actually got quite a few, which I'm very happy about, that I'll be answering. Some of them, most of them are Christmas related, some of them are not. Let's go ahead and do day 3 of my candy advent calendar. So day 1's here, day 2's gone too. Day 3 is right here. That's day 3. Let's go ahead and pop it open. It's a little Snicker bar. I think this is my favorite chocolate. I'm not a big chocolate person, but I like Snickers or Hershey with almonds, but we got a Snickers today. I chose this one. I got it at Walmart. It's just a gingerbread house kit, and it comes with like the icing already on it. Where is it on? It comes with like the icing and all the stuff included, all these candies. Can't open it. Okay. Guys, it's already built. Thank you, Lord. Okay, it's already built. Legit, low-key, I was freaking out because I knew that I'd messed it up somehow. Ooh, that's a lot of icing. Oh, I'm supposed to put it myself. That's not gonna be fun. The smell of icing grosses me out so much. Oh my gosh, you can smell it. Oh, it smells so good, actually. It smells really, really good. So, we got it on a tray. I'm going to go ahead and open the icing. Question number 1 is, what's your favorite Christmas movie? Honestly, I'm gonna be like basic and say maybe The Grinch. I think I just saw that one like not too long ago. I saw it a couple days ago actually. But I can't really think of another one that comes to my head, and I'm probably gonna think of one after I'm done filming this video, to be honest. Next question was, what is on your wish list for Christmas? So honestly, I can't think of something that I want specifically. I really can't, other than maybe just clothes and shoes. I feel like that's been like my favorite stuff to receive lately. You know, as you get older, just clothes, man. Clothes. Does your family have any Christmas traditions? Huh. I can't really think of one Christmas tradition that we might have, other than like Christmas is always at my aunt's house. Like, it's always been the same for years and years and years and years. Like, since I was younger, it's always been at her house. So that's like one of our traditions, is just having Christmas there at her house. I'm trying to think of something else that we do as tradition. Well, something that my family does after leaving my aunt's house. So we'll get home like at 2, 3 in the morning, and that's when we open presents. So we do that every year. That's what we look forward to, I think. It's just like coming home and then just all being together and going around passing each other our gifts and stuff. Especially because my family from out of town, they come mostly every year. So like, it's always, like, we all know, like, once we're getting home, it's time to just be in my living room, no matter if it's like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, we open our presents at that time. I think that's one of our traditions, which I love, that we've done since I was little too. I like honestly don't even know what I want to do with it or where I want to place any of this, to be honest. Okay, I got most of what I could. And I'm going to start decorating it. I don't even know where to start, guys. I don't know what I want to do with it or where I want to place stuff. The next question is, best memory from the holidays from past years. Hands down, probably last year when my family and I, we spent, hideous, guys. Oh my god, this is so bad. So anyways, back to the question. I think it definitely has to be last year my family and I spent Christmas in Cancun, which was amazing. We try to go somewhere new every year. Like as a family, we like to travel somewhere new once a year. And this certain year we went to Cancun and Colima, but Cancun was for Christmas, so that was definitely really, really nice to spend Christmas there. It was so fun. Basically all dressed in white. We went to the beach, we took pictures, and then at night we went to go eat at a restaurant and they had mariachi and stuff, so we just danced around. And if you know my family, you know they're very crazy in a good way, you know. They know how to have fun, and we ended up just dancing at the restaurant. It was the funniest thing ever because people that were like foreigners and stuff, they started like taking videos of my family because they were just like dancing and stuff like that, and they started joining them, and it was just such a fun experience, guys. B2W, this is what my sad little door looks like. I'm so sorry, but whatever. They make it seem so easy. My cousin asked, who's your secret Santa? My cousins and I, we're doing a gift exchange between us girls. Okay, fine. My secret Santa person is hot chocolate or champurrado. 100% champurrado. Where do you do most of your clothing shopping, and what gives you inspo for cute outfits? Thank you. Honestly, I shop a lot at Forever 21, I think. And where else do I like to shop at? I like to do a lot of online shopping, to be honest. You find a lot of cute stuff. Bras has a lot of cute stuff too in Burlington, and I get most of my inspo probably from Pinterest or other YouTube channels. Who's your favorite coworker? Okay guys, just gonna be honest, okay? My favorite coworker is... Do you celebrate Christmas on the 24th or the 25th? My family celebrates it the 24th, so we celebrate it on Christmas Eve. We have a party, and that's when we have our dinner and stuff at night, and then the 25th everyone comes to my house for breakfast. Guys, this looks like a 5-year-old made it. It's bad. It's very bad. At this point, I think I'm just trying to finish it. I can't deal with how funny this looks, guys. Oh my gosh. So far we've got this going on. Wow. Cute. Should I do, yeah, I'm gonna do the same on this side. And maybe in the front too. I don't know at this point. Okay, back to the questions, guys. What's your favorite Christmas present you remember receiving? Oh my gosh, there's two. There's one where it was like a doll, and you would like, it was like digital, so you plugged it in and you were able to like make your life through like this digital thing. Then Bella Dancerella, it was like a ballet thing where you came with like the bar and it showed you how to do ballet moves. You guys see that? So cute. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is, right? Fuzzy socks or fuzzy blankets? Oh, that's a hard one. Because I do like fuzzy socks. They're just so comfy. But I think I'm going to go with fuzzy blankets. I think those are just much more comfortable because it's like your whole body, not just your feet. What's your favorite holiday? Honestly, Christmas is hands down my favorite holiday. I think that growing up, we just had such a good experience with Christmas. It's just so special to us. And so definitely Christmas has to be my favorite holiday of the year. Well, this is how my gingerbread house looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the questions and answers, and I hope you guys enjoyed me struggling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.